Imagine generating your own electricity with an innovative, DIY-friendly device inspired by a legendary inventor's vision. Meet the Edison generator. The Edison generator is designed to produce electricity using thermal energy. With our detailed plans, you can build it yourself using parts from your local hardware store. Follow our comprehensive guide with step-by-step instructions, diagrams, and safety precautions. It's designed to be easy, even for beginners. For just $49, you'll get everything you need to build the Edison generator. Plus, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee for complete peace of mind. Thousands of people have already built the Edison generator, saving money and enjoying energy independence. Now, it's your turn. Don't wait. Start your journey toward energy independence today. Visit or click the link below and get your plans for just $49.